In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track goals in Notion in a simple, straightforward tutorial designed especially for beginners. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your tasks, projects, and goals all in one place. And keeping track of your progress efficiently can make a huge difference. Whether you're trying to track personal goals, professional objectives, or a mix of both, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started by creating a database, which we'll call Goals. You'll want to open a new page in Notion and select the Database option. This will serve as the foundation for tracking all of your goals. Think of it as your digital planner, where each entry represents a specific goal you want to achieve. Use clear and descriptive names so you immediately know what each entry is about whenever you open your Notion workspace. Once your database is created, it's time to define the properties that will help you manage and monitor your goals effectively. Properties in Notion can be thought of as the details or attributes of each goal. We'll start by adding a start date property. This will let you note when you begin working towards a goal, providing you with a time frame reference. Next, add an end date property to set a deadline. This helps you maintain focus and gives structure to your time management. Another important property to add is the status. You can customize this with labels like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed, depending on where you are in your journey with each goal. Now let's talk about tracking progress using formulas in your database. Formulas can be incredibly useful for visualizing your progress. You might want to create a formula to calculate the percentage of completion based on the days elapsed from your start date and how close you are to your end date. While it may seem a bit advanced, using formulas in Notion is pretty straightforward once you get the basics down. They provide an insightful snapshot of where you stand with each goal, keeping you motivated and on track. Finally, we come to the important step of reviewing your goals regularly. Set aside some time either weekly or monthly to go through your goals in Notion. During this review, update the status of each goal and adjust any deadlines if necessary. This practice not only holds you accountable but also allows you to reassess your priorities and make any needed changes. By taking this time for reflection, you ensure that you're always aligned with what truly matters to you and are moving forward efficiently with your aspirations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tracking goals in Notion. By setting up your goals database with the right properties, using formulas to monitor progress, and reviewing them regularly, you'll be well equipped to achieve whatever you set your mind to. Thanks for tuning in, and happy goal setting.